This is online session, standard 7th. Civics part, unit 1, equality. This video, continuation of equality. I asked some questions from previous content. First one, in India, right to vote is given to all the citizens at the age of, yes, answer is 18. Second one, right to contest in the election is a dash right. Yes, answer is political. Third one, in Switzerland, the right to vote is given to all the women in the year. Yes, answer is 1971. Let's see human dignity.
Dignity. Meaning of dignity is self-respect. It is the most important human right from which all other fundamental rights are derived. It is the equality of being honorable, noble and excellent. Next is equality of opportunity and education. Each and every individual should have similar chances to receive education. They should have similar opportunities to develop their personalities. They need equality to get equal treatment in society. If we treat equality, we can earn respect and dignity. Next is equality in Indian Constitution. Let's see how Indian Constitution guarantees equality. Indian Constitution, that is Indian law, guaranteed equality to all citizens by providing articles from 14 to 18. Article 14 guarantees to all the people equality before law. Article 15 deals with the prohibition of discrimination. Article 16 provides equality of opportunity in employment. Article 17 abolishes the practice of untouchability. Article 18 abolishes the titles conferred to citizens. How can we promote equality? We can promote equality by treating all fairly, creating an inclusive culture, ensuring equal access to opportunities, enabling to develop full potential, making laws and policies, and through education. Conclusion. We are going to recap the lesson. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Equality and justice are the pillars of democracy. We have seen different types of equality. First is social, where all citizens are entitled to enjoy equal status in society. Second, civil. Civil equality is enjoyment of civil rights by all citizens, that is without any discrimination. Next is political. Political equality guaranteed the political rights to all citizens includes right to vote, right to hold public office, right to criticize the government. Next is gender. Gender equality is equal right of both men and women. Human dignity. Dignity means self-respect. And the last is laws. Indian Constitution guaranteed equality to all citizens by providing articles from 14 to 18. I think you are clear with the lesson. Please go through the book back questions which will be displayed on the screen. The difference between ordinary is extraordinary is that little extra. Be that extra. Thank you.
One. Right to equality is the first fundamental right assured to the people of India. It is one of the magnificent cornerstones of the Indian democracy. Article 14 to 18 of the Constitution guarantees these rights to every citizen of India. Such rights includes Article 14, equality before law. Article 15, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17, abolition of untouchability. Article 18, abolition of titles. In this video,
Showing inequality between rich and poor. Question 2. Which one of the following comes under political equality? Options are A. Right to petition the government and criticize public policy. B. Removal of inequality based on race, color, sex and caste. C. All are equal before the law. D. Prevention of concentration of wealth in the hands of law. Correct answer is A. Right to petition the government and criticize public policy. Question 3. In India, right to vote is given to all the citizens at the age of dash. Options are A. 21. B. 18. Circa 25. D. 31. Correct answer is B. 18. Question 4. Inequality created by man on the basis of caste, money, religion etc. is called as dash. Options are A. Natural inequality. B. Man-made inequality. C. Economic inequality. D. Gender inequality. Correct answer is B. Man-made inequality. Question 5. In Switzerland, the right to vote is given to women in the year. Options are A. 1981. Born 1971. Circa 1991. D. 1961. Correct answer is born 1971. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Civil equality implies equality of all before dash. Correct answer is law. Question 2. The Indian Constitution deals about the right to equality from article dash to dash. Correct answer is 14,18. Question 3. Right to contest in the election is a dash right. Correct answer is political. Question 4. Equality means absence of dash privileges. Correct answer is social importance.
Dear students, lesson completed. Today's homework. Book back. Choose the correct answer. Fill-ups. And give short answer in detail. Also, you should learn. Dear students, book page number 176. Everything you should learn. Thank you, my dear students.